Hello there. Today let's take the chapter Food to Eat. Now all of us eat food, right? But why do we eat food? Let's discuss it now. Plants give us different kinds of fruits and vegetables. Now we all have seen the different fruits, that is like apple, banana, and vegetables like tomato, carrots. Okay, so from where do we get all these different kinds of fruits and vegetables? From the plants. We should eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. They give us energy and help us to grow. Okay, so what happens, we should now here it is said that we should eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Why? Because they give us energy. Okay, so energy to do what? Energy to play, energy to study, energy to do work, and they help us to grow. How we are growing day by day, this is all because of the food we ate. Today is a weekend. I am going to buy fruits and vegetables with my mother. So this girl here, she is telling that today is a weekend and she is going shopping with her mother. And what she is going to buy? She is going to buy fruit and vegetable. My cart is full. We bought apples, bananas, oranges, tomatoes, carrots, cucumber, grapes, cauliflower, cabbage, eggplant, okra, and peas. So these are the fruit and vegetables she has bought with her mother. Please help me sort out the fruits and vegetables. So she is telling us to sort out the fruits and vegetables. Okay, so let's help her out. Okay, from all the things that girl has bought, we have sorted out the fruits and vegetables. Just name it. Okay, we will just name it. So first let us name all the fruits. Okay, all the fruits we are going to name, that is apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. So these are the fruits that girl has bought with her mother. Now let's see what are the vegetables she has bought. Okay, so tomatoes, carrots, cucumber, cauliflower, cabbage, this is the cabbage here, and here this is the cucumber. Then she has bought eggplant. Now what is eggplant? Okay, eggplant is another name for brinjal. Here in the picture you can see, here the brinjal is there. This is called eggplant also. Then we have okra. Okay, okra, this is another name for ladyfinger. Okay, this is this one. So this vegetables is also known as okra. And peas. Here is the pea, the picture of a pea. Health and food. My grandfather tells me that some foods help us to grow. So now some food they help to grow. Okay, grow day by day when we eat them. Some foods give us energy. Some food keep us healthy. So there are different kinds of food which help us to grow, which gives us energy, and which keeps us healthy. We must eat all kinds of food every day. So we should always eat different kind of food every day, so that we will get all kinds of vitamin, protein, minerals in our body, and we can grow properly, we can have proper energy to work and play, and we will always be healthy, so that we will not fall sick. Okay, we should only eat fresh food. Yes, we should only eat fresh food and not the stale food, because what will happen if we eat fresh food? We will always be healthy, we will not fall sick. And if we eat stale food, what will happen? We might fall sick. That's why we should always eat fresh food. It is important to wash fruits and vegetables before eating them. Yes, it is very important to wash the fruits and vegetables before eating them, because they might have the germs and mud on them. So when we wash them, they become clean and we can eat it. Follow the paths to discover the food under each category. Okay, so let us see now. Let us see the first category. Okay, energy giving foods. Now what are energy giving foods? Food items that give us energy are called energy giving food. Example you can see here, the bread, okay, the bread is there, rice, chapati. These foods, what they give us, they give energy through carbohydrates. Okay, they give us carbohydrates which gives us energy. Next is bodybuilding food. Okay, now what are bodybuilding food? Bodybuilding food, they help us to grow. These food help us to grow, like your dal, chicken, fish, egg, milk. Okay, that's why mummy always tells you, no, you should drink milk. So this is very important. So bodybuilding foods help you to grow. They help you to grow. And what do they give us? They give us protein. Next is healthy food. Okay, now some food are there, food items are there which give us vitamins and minerals. Okay, why do we have to eat fruits? Now you must have noticed, like fruits like grapes, okay, banana, papaya, then we have vegetables like cauliflower, peas. What they do, they keep us healthy, they give us important vitamins. Okay, so what happens because of this? We do not fall sick, we become healthy and strong. So that for this we need to eat the vegetables and fruits every day. Now let us see the food source. Okay, till now we have seen that why food is important, which kind of food is important for us, what we should eat. Now let us see from where we are getting the food. Okay, source means from where are we getting this food. Do you know that we get our food from plants and animals? So yes, both plants and animals, they provide us with food. Let us see what are the different types of food they provide us with, they give us, that is. Okay, plants give us fruits, vegetables and grains. Okay, plants, what do they give us? They give us fruit, vegetable and grains. Now fruits we have discussed, the apple, banana, vegetables like cauliflower, cabbage, peas, and grains, those are your cereals like wheat, rice, they all come under grains. So we'll get all this from plants. Now we get milk, egg and meat from animals. Okay, now curd, now milk we are getting from animal, from the cow or the goat. Now what we are seeing here, the curd, butter, ghee, paneer and cheese, these are all made from milk. So indirectly this also we are getting from the animals. Look at the following pictures, trace the path to know the source of the food we eat. Okay, here in the first picture you can see this is fish, so yes, we get it from the fish. Then we have this banana, this fruit, banana fruit. From where do we get? We get it from this banana plant. Okay, then this is honey. Here this is a jar of honey. Honey we get from honey bee. Here honey bee, it makes honey and we take it from it. Okay, then we have this is butter. So butter, now see butter, how is this butter made? Butter is made from milk. And from where do we get the milk? We get the milk from the cow. So butter also we can say we get from the cow. Now egg here you can see it comes from the hen. Hen gives us egg. Now at home we eat 3 big meals. Now what is a meal? Meal is actually the food which we take at a specific time, at a particular time. That meal, that food is called a meal. Okay, now we have 3 big meals. Here it is said that we have 3 big meals. Now let us see what they are. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Now first when we get up in the morning and then we freshen up, and what do? We eat our breakfast. The first food which we eat in the morning, that is called breakfast. So that meal, okay, first meal is breakfast and it is a very important meal. It helps us start the day with lots of energy. Yes, if you will not eat in the morning, what will happen? You will not get any energy. So for lots of energy we need to have breakfast in the morning. We have lunch in the afternoon. So in the afternoon time, what meal we have? We have lunch. We eat dinner at night. At night also we eat food and then we go to sleep. So that meal is called dinner. We do not eat a heavy meal at that time. So now morning you can have a heavy meal, okay, but at dinner time what do? We eat very light meal. Why do we eat light meal? So that we can sleep properly, okay, and our stomach will not pain. If we eat lots of meal, we take a heavy meal, lots of food if we eat, what will happen? Our stomach will start hurting, it will start paining at night. So we should not have a heavy meal, but we should have a light meal at that time, at dinner time. Our family drinks lots of water too. Yes, we should always drink lots of water also along with the food, okay.